What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, I'm gonna cover one of the new kids on the block. We're gonna cover Magic Token. So, or maybe it's just called Magic. Alright, caveat to this. I don't actually know what this thing does. This is solely reading the chart. So, all the Magicians or Majestians or whatever you guys want to call your new army, don't come after me in the comments. All right, chill out. It's just technicals. It's not that serious. Well, it's money. It's kind of that serious, but you know what I mean. Chill, chill. You're brand new. Also, you just got futures over the weekend on KuCoin. That's what actually brought this onto my radar, because before that I was like, Magic? What? We going to a show or something? I don't know. Anyways, Magic Token, we are currently getting our macro support and resistance levels based off the few days you've been alive, which is since December 12th. You have had a great run. Remember that. You have had a great run. But if the market takes a downturn, you are going to be one of the favorites for going down. You are up 473%. Remember that. You went up 473%. Understand that. From a basic TA standpoint, just a fib retracement. You're looking at, you're not even at a value opportunity until you're pretty close to it, but that's your first level of value right here, $1.2962. Don't get mad at me. That's what I'm seeing. It's a 50% retrace from your top, which also, those of you still holding on, hey, I'm proud of you. Good job. You deserve a medal. However, when I go over this TA, don't get mad at me. Okay? Don't you get mad at me. But anyways, that's what we're seeing out of very simple support resistance levels. We also just lost a support level right here. We also back tested it twice, marking a double top on the daily, and you are currently coming down. Now, what does this all mean? This means we actually need to find some trend lines. We need to find where our support resistance could be and go from there. So we're going to stay on the daily for right now. We did have this little wick, these wicks. Now this is also coinciding with you broke the trend and now you're coming down. So you need to find those retracement levels. One thing you do have a 50 simple moving average. So that's nice. That is something we can pay attention to, which is good. That's sitting at $1.04 at the moment of me recording. Now we can see we were in this broadening wedge, which broadening wedges a lot of times break to the downside. A lot of times. You also got all three touches, so that confirms you will be going to the downside. Now a shallow retracement is to come down to 89 cents once again. However, your full measured move out of this pattern would actually be, upon that back test, 51%. All the way down here to 78 cents, 78.49. That's based off the daily. Now let's go ahead and check out the 4 hour. And on your 4 hour, you can see you actually put in this kind of bear flag-esque looking deal. So what am I doing here? Okay, get rid of that. So your bear flag. This is what I would pay attention to personally, because I like to see the patterns, and I like to trade based off the patterns. We're gonna mark it right there. So you had a nice little bear flag situation. Also was a broadening wedge, so you can tell the exuberance is there, but you have this entire flagpole. So your measured move, once again, 76 cents. That's where you should expect to get some serious support, and that is your next support level, surprisingly enough. So this is what I'm seeing out of Magic. For those of you looking to trade this and jump in on the downtrend, because once again, it is now on futures, you can trade it to the downside. Don't get mad at the messenger. I'm just telling you what's there. Currently, your down sloping consolidation is in play right here. You can see the wick that is forming and will have formed. You have this down here. So you can see you are bearishly consolidating and heading down. You could enter a trade right at this moment upon recording. I don't know when you're going to see this because noted you should subscribe, follow the channel, join the Discord, get notified every single time I do everything. Anyways, stop loss would actually be above these wicks right here at 1472, and you would be looking to take your profits all the way down at your support level down here. Now, could you find a little support, little bounces before then? Yes. Yes, you can. And these little bounces will be points in which you need to pay attention to. So, first point I believe you're getting close to right now, which are these candle closes right here. Your next point is the next candle close, of course, right here. So you have multiple levels where you could take a little recovery bounce before you see further downside, but keep in mind these are not strong levels of support. These are just areas to keep in mind for you could come down, come back up, come down, come back up, come down, come back up, come down, because we don't travel in a straight line down. But your full move, yeah, I wouldn't think about if you're spot trading this. Your value area is down here at 76 cents at this moment, right now. 76 cents. And it could be argued you have more support down here at 66 cents. So take it with a grain of salt. Take it with full margarita glass of salt. I don't care what you do, but this is what I see out of the charts. This is not financial advice. This is how I currently am trading this particular asset. I do believe we have a lot further downside, and that's also in part the daily just helps me out in my argument. You're really far from your 50 simple moving average, which just got started. So anyways, hopefully this video helps you out. Hopefully your trades are going well. Don't get too scared about all the FUD that's out there when it comes to all these stable coins and the SEC and whatnot. Just like everything else in the crypto space, give it some time. I'm sure we'll get past it. But other than that, take it easy. Good luck in the trades and join the Discord. Have a good one.